Pranam Prestige. What's come to your mind when you hear Coca-Cola? Happiness? Friendship? Vibe like Thanda matlab Coca-Cola? Well, it gave me immense pleasure to introduce the skill enhancement and personality development activity on Coca-Cola that PIMR students deep dive into how this global brand adopts its ad to the Indian audience. Trust me, the way these young minds have explored it will leave you impressed. So get ready to see their ideas, creativity and passion come alive. Let's jump right in. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I, Tanishka, Deepesh, Manas, Shivam and Devanshi are here to present our skill enhancement activity. The brand we took is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is one of the world's leading beverage companies with a history that dates back to 1886 when it was first created in Atlanta, Georgia. What began as a soft drink has now transformed into a massive global enterprise. With a portfolio of more than 500 brands catering to diverse tastes and preferences, the company has established its presence in over 200 countries, reaching millions of consumers every day. Through a wide variety of products such as carbonated soft drink, fruit juices, bottled water, sports beverage, and energy drink. Over years, Coca-Cola has gone beyond being just a refreshment. It has become a cultural icon symbolizing joy, unity, and celebrations.
Something magic in the night. Can you see it shining bright? Always Coca-Cola. Holidays are coming. Holidays are coming. Holidays are coming. Holidays are coming. Holidays are coming.
Here are the strengths of the advertisement. High visual quality. The ad stands out with smooth, polished visuals that immediately capture the viewer's attention and hold it with ease. Holiday theme connection. It continues Coca-Cola's timeless link to Christmas, evoking festive traditions and reminding audiences of the brand's place in holiday celebrations. Innovation factor. By using AI, Coca-Cola demonstrates its willingness to embrace modern tools and creative innovation, keeping the brand fresh and forward thinking. Brand recall. Even with its imperfections, the ad keeps Coca-Cola top of mind during the holiday season, reinforcing a legacy built over decades.
The areas of improvement for Coca-Cola AI generated ad. First, lack of emotional warmth. Older Coca-Cola ad highlighted family, children, and joy. This AI generated ad felt robotic and did not emotionally connect with viewers. Second, weak storytelling. Focused too much on visuals instead of a clear narrative. Made it harder for audience to relate to or feel attached to the message. Third, misalignment with a brand legacy. Coca-Cola's strength lies in human connection, happiness, and nostalgia. The ad shifted away from this emotional brand identity. Fourth, over-dependency on technology. Creativity was overshadowed by the use of AI. The ad appeared more like a tech demo than a warm festival story.
If I were their marketing manager or strategies to improve, first, bring back real people and emotion. I would make sure the ad focuses on real families, friends, and communities, highlighting togetherness and joy instead of relying completely on AI visuals. Second, use technology wisely. AI could be used as a support tool for design, effects, or background, but the storytelling and core message should always came from human creativity and emotion. Third, reinforce Coca-Cola's core values. Ads should always highlight joy, happiness, and share moments, as these values are what made Coca-Cola so iconic in the first place. Fourth, blend traditional with modernity. Keep the nostalgic holiday elements like Santa family dinners, Christmas gatherings, while adding small innovative touches.
Now, let's wrap up with the key lessons from Coca Cola's marketing journey. Coca Cola is more than a drink, it's a symbol of happiness and celebration worldwide. But the 2024 AI holiday ad showed that even strong brands can stumble if they lose their emotional touch, while technology adds creativity. It's the emotion and human connection that truly keep Coca Cola timeless. In short, tools may change, but emotion will always be the heart of the great marketing. Thank you.